Okay, so the Loft renovation project fully commences. I'm about a week out from demo at this point, so I wanted to take a minute to kind of take some before shots, even though I've already kind of sort of started my packing. So I've got to basically pack up as though I was moving because of the demolition that'll be going on, as well as the fact we're putting in a new floor and all that kind of stuff. I'll get into more details as to what is happening a little bit later on. So here is the before. Here's my entryway. This is where I'm starting to accumulate my junk that the junk people need to come pick up. This is just the beginning. La da 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 da. Right? This blue line here is the future footprint of my new kitchen. Anyway, we've gotten the books packed up. And this is kind of where I'm going to be storing what stays, right? You know, Jesus, what a fiasco. Couch goes like it should. Looks like it needs to go, doesn't it? Okay, so this is my current kitchen footprint. You guys have seen it in the cooking videos. I've hated it for a long time, but she has served me well. Again, the blue outline will be the new footprint. In addition to that, I'm going to have cabinets and countertop here on this wall going all the way up. And this basically that's on a bias is going to turn and be completely open so that when you actually walk in my front door, this is what you see now. I mean, who the hell thought that was a good idea? But what you're going to basically see when you walk in is this view out my window, which is kind of the centerpiece. All of this is going to kind of give you perspective as to what I want you to see when you walk into my place. So, anywho, today is February 14th, 2020, and the process has begun. It is junk removal day as we prep for the demolition. Oh my God. All this shit's getting out of here. All of it. All of it. I don't care. All of it. And this goes. And this ratty ass couch is going. All that stays. Because, you know, that's my books and shit. And this stays. Anyway, they've pushed the demolition back for about 9 days, so I was supposed to start Monday, March 9th. Now we are pushed out until Wednesday the 18th. So after that, I think once they actually start tearing this monstrosity up and out, they should tick along pretty good. So stay tuned. I can tell you one thing, the cats are gonna love it when I run the damn vacuum cleaner here in a few minutes. But I tell you what, I already feel so much better. So much better. Well, I was literally at my wit's end, feeling like I was living in an episode of Hoarders. But this is much, much more manageable. I think I can manage through this at this point. You know, what, another 9 days or so before shit starts to go down, kids. Are you having none of it, Ms. Ruby? Just none of it.